Hello, I'm Matt Zako for Crown Commercial Property Management, and I'd like to tell you how we can make triple net leases work for you. A triple net lease is designed to be extremely low maintenance for you as the landlord. But watch out, if you think delegating responsibility to the tenant will make owning commercial property easy, you may want to think again. Triple net leases come with their own distinct risks. Let's take a look at one major difficulty you may encounter and how the experts at CCPM can help you avoid it. In a triple net lease, tenants are usually responsible for all maintenance, but time and time again, we've seen tenants fail to maintain a property, or we've seen them hire low-quality service providers that don't measure up. At the end of their lease, you as the landlord will be left with the damaged building they leave behind. This can be absolutely devastating, costing you tens of thousands and making it more difficult to bring in the next tenant. Smart owners trust us because they know CCPM will enforce every standard of maintenance. We have found roofing and HVAC systems in absolute ruins because the tenant didn't maintain them properly. Regular preventative maintenance will extend the lives of these systems by years, even decades. With CCPM, you can be certain that all AC units are inspected regularly. As per the lease agreement, we require the lessee to carry a contract with an approved service provider, assuring routine maintenance inspections. If the tenant fails to perform any required maintenance, we'll step in and ensure it gets done properly and bill them for the service. We'll tour your property on a regular basis along with the approved contractors, and you're always invited to join if you like. CCPM will supply you with first-hand reports on the condition of your building's systems and ongoing maintenance procedures. These are just some of the ways that Crown Commercial can help you avoid triple net terrors. Yes, a triple net lease can make your life easier, but only when all aspects of it are enforced. CCPM will make sure that you're not on the hook for the costs that result from neglected maintenance of your commercial property investment. That's because at Crown Commercial Property Management, we take commercial personally.
For more information, call 323-402-6607 or visit ccpm.net today.